Hi guys, welcome to our new YouTube channel. So as the first video we are going to talk about a cute looking bird. It is the Adelie penguin. Now let's take a look of some main features of this bird.
It has modified flipper-like wings drive this flightless seabird through the icy but nutrient-rich seas around the Antarctica. Crowded breeding colonies of up to a quarter of a million birds stretch over rocky coastal slopes. Parents take turns incubating their two eggs, each fasting 4 days while its mate is feeding out at sea.
Now let's see in which areas of the world that these birds live.
A circumpolar range limited by the northern and southern limits of Antarctica's permanent pack ice includes inshore waters and offshore islands.
Now let's look at the life cycle and habitat of these birds.
An Adelie penguin is really along. At sea, it feeds in rocks under pack ice. In breeding seasons, it treks along the bustling routes between the water and its sprawling colonies. The Adelie penguin spends nearly all its time at sea in pack ice that surrounds Antarctica. When it comes ashore to breed, it lands on barren beaches and rocky coastal slopes together in huge numbers. After breeding, the penguins that returns to the sea, swimming in groups to new feeding grounds as winter ice begins to push further north.
Now let's take a look at the behavior of Adelie penguin.
The Adelie penguin is an excellent swimmer but is clumsy on land. With its legs set for far back on its body, it has to walk upright and can manage only an awkward, almost comical shuffle on its short, stiff legs. It hops nimbly over rocks and other low obstacles, but drops onto its breast at the top of ice slopes and toboggans over the ice, making better progress than by walking. The Adelie penguin stays close to America's pack ice to feed, since krill eat the algae that grow on the underside of the ice. Diving to 65 feet for krill and other prey, the penguin can remain underwater for up to 7 minutes. It catches faster swimming prey, squid and fish, by putting on sudden spurts of speed while cruising along underwater. Each feeding trip may last 4 hours or more. Frequently, the Adelie feeds at night, taking advantage of the nightly migration of krill and squid to the surface. Flocks also travel many miles around the fringes of the ice to exfoliate the best feeding grounds.
Penguins return to breeding colonies in September. Each pair occupies then defends a nest site before enacting complex mating rituals. Two chicks hatch following 6 weeks of incubation by both sexes, while one parent feeds at sea. The other guards and broods the young after 2 weeks. The adults feed together. All the colony's chicks in the same stage of growth join up in creches which offer security against predators such as gulls. Chicks fledge after 8 weeks and head to sea.